Stop yelling. Keeping the volume down in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be looking at a common phrase you might hear in everyday conversations: stop yelling. We'll explore what it means, when to use it, and how to respond if someone says it to you. So let's dive in and turn the volume down on confusion. Stop yelling is a phrase that is used to ask someone to lower their voice. It implies that the person is speaking too loudly or with too much force. Yelling can indicate anger, excitement, or an emergency, but it's generally considered rude in normal conversation. We'll examine why it's important to keep our voices at a respectful level. This section will cover the appropriate contexts for using the phrase, stop yelling. You'll learn how to say it politely and understand the body language that often accompanies it. Remember, it's not just about the words you use, but also how you say them. If someone tells you to stop yelling, don't panic. We'll go through some polite ways to respond and adjust your speaking volume. It's all part of effective communication and ensuring everyone feels comfortable in the conversation. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the phrase, stop yelling, and how to use it correctly. Remember, communicating clearly and respectfully is key in any language. See you next time, and keep practicing.